There was a time Ezenwa came here to learn how to fix phone. And as we are back in Enugu, we wanted to go and say hi to his former Oga.
Where are you going? Here. Eba. Don't you know it? Are you sure?
Oh, he's not here.
He's sitting there. In the green.
Ezenwa almost forgot which shop it was.
I don't even know my shop.
Pourquoi?
Church! Where's that? Big guy! Auntie,
How are you?
you're welcome.
Long time.
Welcome.
Hello.
His boss had become a friend, as did many other people working in this area.
Sure said I'm in your guy. Number guy. I'm not going to get that on me.
Don't worry, don't worry.
My guy. Okay. Emma, yes. Okay, well. Yes, that's why you're telling. Nukumade, my mom. No, they call him my organ, my mom.
Yeah, he's okay.
This one do above organ. Thank you. Ask him to never get that phone.
Many things haven't changed. Still the same old fan, making its rounds.
Give me a little more than from Switzerland. Babe, okay, from Switzerland.
Everybody was happy to see us. If you look for a nice person to fix your phone in Enugu, go to where they fix phones near fire service and ask for Ogbe.